In a previous episode, G4 Live Sound, we talked about the Evolution Wireless G4 100 and the Evolution Wireless G4 500 series, giving you the ability to transmit the signals of mostly any of the sound sources on stage wirelessly. In this episode, we'll be talking about receiving signals through top-notch in-ear monitoring technology.
Basically, where wireless instruments or wireless vocal microphones send their signal to a receiver either on or off stage, shooting it through to the front of house or to the mixing desk of your monitor engineer, IEM, in-ear monitors, do the exact opposite. Transmitters become receivers and receivers become transmitters, allowing your sound engineer to send treated audio, mixed audio, back to you as a performer on stage. And as IEM headphones seal you off from any stage noise that you don't want, you should be able to get yourself in the most comfortable position to play in, concentrating on your performance. Also, if you need clicks or if you need cues for video or for electronic sequences in your show, IEM, in-ear monitoring headphones, is a good way to go.
Something to consider when looking into in-ear monitoring is that you will need a good audio technician. Someone you trust, someone who understands your needs and who can make quick and exact changes to your sound during your performance.
Yeah, remember, with in-ear monitoring systems, the sound is delivered directly into your ears. And that means that it could cause damage in case of unwanted sound turbulences like feedback or whatever. So finding a good monitoring engineer might bring an extra cost to your crew, but it is worth it.
Another thing you want to consider before investing in an in-ear monitoring system is that you will need to get used to playing with it. Vocalists in particular will need some practice before it becomes second nature. It feels strange because good in-ear monitor headphones reject surrounding stage noise, and the physical fact of having something in your ears during the performance takes time to get used to. And finally, some people are afraid they will fall out, and since you'll need your hands to play your instrument, you'd be lost. Although this rarely happens, but that is why it is so important to give it a good thought and to choose the right in-ear monitors.
Okay, let's say you did find yourself a good monitor engineer. Let's say you did take time to get used to it. You're not afraid of using it, and you do want to create those perfect conditions on stage to play in. Well, then Sennheiser offers a great solution. This is the Sennheiser Evolution Wireless G4 IEM. It offers a transmission range of up to 100 meters. That's 330 feet. It features 42 megahertz bandwidth, 1,680 selectable frequencies, all fully tunable in a stable UHF range. And the output power is adjustable in 3 steps, 10, 30, and 50 milliwatts, depending on country regulations.
The in-ear monitor transmitters come in half-rack stereo all-metal housings with OLED display for full control. And as the enhanced infrared technology is also brought to the in-ear monitor series, it allows you to sync very fast and easy.
That's right. The IEM systems sync up to 16 compatible channels, and they are available in 2 different sets for you to choose from.
The Evolution Wireless G4 IEM comes with everything you need to go wireless. And the Evolution Wireless G4 IEM Twin offers you an extra receiver, receiving the same audio signal that is transmitted by the IEM transmitter.
Now, the final touch to your in-ear monitoring chain are the in-ear monitors themselves. There are a lot of cheap options you could get, but please consider the fact that not all of them seal off your ears properly. Not all of them are robust nor ergonomic, and that is why Sennheiser has developed its own series of in-ear monitors. There are 3 options. You could choose the IE40 Pro, which delivers an all-roundish sound. There is the IE400 Pro, which helps you focus on instruments. And the IE500 Pro will help you focus on vocals with its remarkably clear and transparent sound.
As you can see, these in-ear monitors are small and elegant, but still they have dynamic drivers. And that is pretty cool. You see, a lot of in-ear monitors make use of balanced armature drivers. And these balanced armature drivers originally come from hearing aid technology. Yes, they are small, but their audio quality for stage use leaves much to be desired.
And that is why Sennheiser has reinvented the dynamic driver principle. Superior natural audio reproduction in a small and compact design.
Where in balanced armature technology, you'd need multiple drivers to cover all frequencies, with dynamic drivers, you only need one driver, which captures the wide band of frequencies. Sennheiser reinvented this system by making the entire design smaller to make it fit in nicely shaped in-ear monitors. Sennheiser's new broadband transducer reproduces sound as an organic whole and delivers a natural, warm overall effect. Above all, the sound can be felt, as substantially more air passes throughout the inner ear, delivering a full sound image with punch and volume, without distortion.
So, take some time to figure out which option serves you best. Take some time to get used to your monitoring setup, and then enjoy. Because from here on out, playing music on stage will never be the same.